Good. All right, we got her out of the weeds. She's out of the weeds, and we're dragging it off of the farm. Trying to get it up to the main road where we can load it on the trailer. So, y'all, this is an adventure. I'm glad y'all are riding along with me. Like I said, there it is, factory 3-speed 302 Cougar XR7 with a factory tack. How cool is this car? And here we are, giving it a new lease on life. Never know where you're going to find them. So, y'all bear with us. Alright, 1968 Cougar XR7 up on the hard ground. Glad y'all made it with us this far. We'll do another quick walk around. It's off the grass, out of the weeds. And it made it this far, off the farm and back up the pavement again. Check that out. Factory V8 stick car, 302, 3-speed in the floor. Red with a black painted top. How cool is that? Come with a factory disc brakes and a 9-inch rear end too. Oh, this little car was a bunch of fun. And it will be again. Y'all bear with us. All right, boys and girls, friends, neighbors, and gearheads of all ages. Hopefully you have made it with us to this point of the video. You have already hit the thumbs up button, because that does help our channel. And you've already subscribed, so you can be the first ones to tell all your buddies after you hit that bell notification that you saw the cool stuff here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts on YouTube. Now, this is the culmination of the video we started. The end of this section of the adventure anyway. So I appreciate you making it with us this far. We have made it home with this Cougar, and hopefully we'll get started on breathing some new life into it before long. And when we do, we'll try to get you some updates on that. But here is proof positive that it is out of the field and off the farm, and it's a little closer to the road than it was, I guess 20 years ago. I believe that's when the tags ran out. Let's see. Yep, 03. So there she is, off the farm on the trailer, and our adventure has brought us to this point. Appreciate you watching the video, and appreciate you coming back, check on updates, not only on this car, but other cars that we've had to chance of saving and getting back out into circulation. This is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob and Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and we appreciate you. Thanks for watching.